Essential oils are concentrated plant substances with antifungal and antibacterial properties. They are widely used in aromatherapy and herbal remedies and are useful for medicinal complaints, skin problems, and infections. The antifungal and antibacterial properties of essential oils inhibit the aerobic growth of bacteria, mold, and yeast. Essential oils can be both mild and potent. Learn which essential oil is best for athlete's foot. To treat athlete's foot, you need to make sure it's safe for you and your body. What are essential oils? You may have heard of essential oils for athlete's foot, but you might not be sure what they do for your feet. This contagious fungus affects the skin and can spread from one toe to the next, particularly if you wear tight-fitting shoes. You can get an athlete's foot from direct contact with an infected person, or it can spread to other body parts, such as the locker room. While essential oils are not usually recommended for external use, they are a safe, effective treatment option for this fungal infection. Apply a foot cream or hand cream with essential oils to the infected nail and massage it. If you experience any bleeding or weeping, contact a doctor or healthcare provider. It is also best not to apply essential oils to broken or weeping skin, as this can spread the infection. Essential oils for the athlete's foot should be applied to a healthy skin patch twice a day for several weeks. Always perform a skin patch test before applying a new treatment to your feet to ensure you don't cause irritation or allergic reactions. If your skin is sensitive, try using a carrier oil instead. If the skin rash is persistent, try switching to a different product. Tea tree essential oil can be applied topically to the foot to ease the symptoms of the athlete's foot. It is not water soluble, so you don't have to worry about it dissolving in water. Instead, you can mix it with a carrier oil to add a soothing scent to your feet. If you're prone to athlete's foot, you can also rub your feet with an essential oil foot scrub to nourish and soothe them. Tea tree oil is a widely known essential oil with many uses. It's anti-inflammatory and can help with bacterial infections, dandruff, wounds, odors, etc. Another essential oil for athlete's foot is tea tree oil, which comes from the Melaleuca alternifolia tree native to Australia. This oil kills bacteria, fungi, and yeasts that cause athlete's foot. Properties of essential oils. When using essential oils as a treatment for athlete's foot, make sure that you dilute them thoroughly in a carrier oil. A cotton ball can apply carrier oil to the affected area, such as coconut or almond oil. Do not apply these oils directly to the skin if you have sensitive skin. Instead, apply them to the affected area using a cotton ball and gently rub them in. Never rub healthy skin while applying essential oils. Essential oils are highly concentrated extracts obtained from plants. They contain the natural compounds that give them their aroma and flavor. The composition of each essential oil will differ depending on the plant used. Some oils have powerful antibacterial, antimicrobial, or antifungal properties. They are common ingredients in natural topical treatments for athlete's foot. The main components of essential oils are listed below. They are also commonly found in topical creams and lotions. Athlete's foot is a common infection that occurs year-round, especially during the summer. This is particularly common in humid climates such as New Zealand. To effectively treat the infection, essential oils must be blended with a carrier oil. The carrier oil helps the oils penetrate the skin and travel around the body. Essential oils will affect the area where the fungal infection is present. The carrier oil must be an emollient to be absorbed easily and efficiently. Essential oils can also be applied directly to the affected area. Copaiba oil, for instance, is highly beneficial against a range of infections and skin irritations. It contains beta-caryophyllene, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agent with analgesic properties. Copaiba oil can also be applied as a topical solution, diluted in a bath gel, or added to a lotion or soap. Lemon essential oil, used to freshen clothing, may help fight the fungus that causes athlete's foot. Lemon essential oil is a powerful antioxidant and may even combat the microorganisms responsible for the condition. Lemon is also an ideal essential oil for athlete's foot because of its high acidity and astringent properties. Lemon is also the most effective and affordable option. It helps the body heal itself naturally. Cause of athlete's foot. Athlete's foot can be painful and inconvenient, making walking difficult. It is caused by the growth of fungus on the skin. The symptoms of an athlete's foot vary from person to person, but they are similar in most cases. The skin on foot is inflamed and red. Open sores and blisters may form. In severe cases, you may need antibiotics. If you're unsure of the exact cause, see your doctor. An athlete's foot is an inflammatory skin disease caused by a fungus that lives on dead tissues on the feet. It can affect other body parts, but it usually affects the skin between the toes and sole. Athlete's foot is highly contagious, and people can contract it by touching the affected area. It's important to see a doctor if you notice any symptoms, including pain and crusty skin. An athlete's foot is a fungal infection spread by direct contact with the affected skin. It spread through skin particles and compromised skin, creating a portal for entry and exit. You can also pass the infection on by touching someone else's infected foot or sharing their towel. If you suspect that you have an athlete's foot, visit your doctor and have him perform a thorough exam to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Athlete's foot is a common problem. It affects almost half of the world's population. Most cases are caused by a fungus called trichophyton. These fungi grow in warm, damp environments and produce an itchy, blister-like appearance. Once infected, the athlete's foot may spread to the toenails and hands. Fortunately, there is medication to cure an athlete's foot. While a fungus generally causes athlete's foot, there are also bacterial and fungal foot infections. Bacterial foot infection is more common than fungus-based types. Bacteria can cause an athlete's foot as well. Symptoms of an athlete's foot include redness, pain, and blistering. The symptoms may vary, but the main concern is getting the problem treated. The best way to avoid an athlete's foot is to treat it immediately. Best essential oil for athlete's foot. Essential oils have antifungal, antibacterial, and fragrance properties. They have long been used in traditional medicine and are particularly useful for treating infections and other medicinal complaints. They are effective at killing fungi and inhibiting their growth on the skin. These oils are naturally effective at reducing pain and swelling associated with an athlete's foot. They can also be used to make a topical cream. Listed below are the benefits of essential oils for athlete's foot. Peppermint oil is one of the oldest known herbs. Its medicinal properties are immense. Peppermint's active ingredient, menthol, provides a cooling sensation and helps to clear the respiratory tract. Other benefits of peppermint essential oil include fighting bad breath and stimulating energy. The astringent properties of peppermint essential oil make it an excellent remedy for athlete's foot and jock itch. It can also relieve skin irritation and provide soothing relief. An athlete's foot is a common fungal infection that results in red, itchy feet. It is most likely caused by sweat dampened shoes or socks and is spread by touch. Essential oils effectively combat athletes' feet because they have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They also help relieve pain and treat dry or cracked skin. Regardless of how you find it, you can use them to treat your athlete's foot. While the best essential oil for an athlete's foot is one that soothes it, you should be cautious and watch out for adverse reactions. Usually, these effects appear within 10 minutes of application. Remove the band-aid and wash the affected area. The essential oil will not be effective on the skin if you are allergic to it or have sensitive skin. Always consult a healthcare professional before using any essential oil on your skin. And be sure to follow all instructions and precautions. There are a variety of essential oils you can use for an athlete's foot. Tea tree oil can be used topically for this condition. Make sure to dilute the oil with a carrier oil like almond oil or coconut oil. You can apply the mixture to the affected area twice a day. The lemon essential oil has been proven effective in combating athletes' foot infections. Lemon oil is also known to fight infections caused by fungi. Next, essential oil for bedbug bites. Legal and medical disclaimer: information provided on the site is for educational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. You must consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. We do not provide any medical advice. Essential Oils Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.